Hey, Zubayer here. In this video, I will discuss about Google Ads offline conversion tracking through Google Tag Manager and Google Sheet. We will not use any CRM like HubSpot, Go High Level, and we will also not use any tools like JPR or anything. We will just use Google Tag Manager and Google Sheet to set up offline conversion. So let's get started. I will set up the tracking using this contact form, and I will use this Google Ad and this Google Sheet and this Google Tag Manager. So usually what we do, we send the conversion tracking data to Google Ad as a online conversion. Okay, so we can send this from submission event to Google Ad, and Google Ad called it online conversion. But after submitting the form, Google cannot know what is happening. For example, we send the raw lead, but after discussing with the customer what will happen, Google doesn't know. That's why we need offline conversion to send the data like how many people qualified, how many people are converted, and how much the conversion value, how much the purchase value. Okay, so usually Google track the from submission. In this case, Google Ad will see all the scenario like how many conversion actually getting. Okay, so when this form will submit it, we will call it raw lead. The lead data we will capture here and we will call it raw lead. When you change the status, Google will get the hit, and Google can see that this is the qualified lead and this is the conversion value, converted lead, and this is the converted lead value, I mean the sales value. Okay, so let me start. First of all, we need a listener code to track the from, then we can send the data to Google Tag Manager and the Google Sheet. So I think I have a listener code. Yeah, this one, the listener code to track the WP from. Let me test it. Preview. Let me connect. Okay, now test it. Name, subject, but actually phone field is not available here, but okay, no problem, we can test using another field. So send. Okay, now I see I got a event here. In this event, all the data is available in the data layer like the email, phone, everything. But as I don't have the field of phone, the phone number is missing here, but I can send anything as a phone number to test it. Just we can send this number or this number, anything as a phone number. Okay, so we will do it. So data layer is working. Now we have to send the data to the Google Sheet using this data layer. Okay. Now I need to create variable to capture the phone number and the email number from. Let me go to variable. I think I already have variable. Yeah, I have variable for email and phone number. Actually on the phone number I am sending another value as a phone number because actual phone number is not available. Now I need also hash variable. So this script will hash the phone number and email. Okay, so this is for email and this is phone number. Now I need a tag to capture the data from the data layer and send to the Google Sheet. So this one, the tag, this tag is for the GCL ID, and this tag will send the data to Google Sheet. Okay, in here I have the conversion value, email, phone number, everything here, and then currency, then all the parameter that is available here. Okay, so we can send it. Then we have to run a script here to get the data, and we have to go to extension, then app script. In the script we need to run this script, and we need to change something here. For example, we have to change the actual the sheet link here, then we have to also change the sheet name. Okay, I have already did it. This is the sheet name and this is the sheet URL. Okay, and this sheet will capture the data from Tag Manager. If I deploy it, I will get a URL from here, and this URL we need to use here. So this URL we have to add here. This is the script URL of the sheet. Okay, now if I test it again, I will find that the data is available here. So let me test it again. The data will send to the Google Sheet. It is loaded. Now we can send the data again. So let me submit the from, test, email, then test again. Okay, now we can see the data on the data layer and on the Google Sheet. Okay, I found the data. Now let me organize it. So hashed email is available, the phone number is available, it is lead submitted, but it's actually raw lead. We can just delete it, and this is the conversion time, conversion value, and the currency, everything here. Now we have to link this sheet with Google Ads to send the offline conversion data, as well as we already have the GCL ID here. Okay, actually I pushed the GCL ID on the URL, that's why it is available here. Actually it is already available on the local storage. Usually it should not available, but I pushed it. Okay, so GCL ID here. Oh, where is the GCL ID? CL. Okay, so GCL is here and this value is on the Google Sheet. Let me check. So it is capturing the hashed email, hash phone, GCL ID, conversion value, conversion, everything. So now we have to just link this sheet with the Google Ads, then we can import the data from Google Sheet to Google Ads. Okay, now let me do it. So we have to create two conversion. First conversion for the qualified lead, second conversion for the converted. So now let's create conversion, then it will be import, then CRM, another data source. It will be track conversion from click because I have click ID available. Connect a new data source. Here I have to select the Google Sheet, then direct connection. Okay, now connect. Yeah, continue. It will be actually qualified lead. So setup, Now next, okay, it is scanning. We have to link the Google Drive with the Google Ads. Okay, continue searching again. Okay, now let's browse the sheet. It will be Google Sheet. Yeah. Now select. Then we have to filter it. Let me filter. Okay, it is coming. Okay, now we can filter with the status. Then when the status will be qualified lead, it will fire. So let me do it. So just we have to copy the text from here and paste it. It will be same. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay. So next now status will be qualified lead. Then it will fire. Okay, perfect. Okay, it is scanning again. Now I see conversion time is already linked. Then hashed email, hashed phone number is already linked. We have to link the conversion value is already linked. Okay, now just we have to maybe link the GCL ID. Let me check. Yeah, we have to link the GCL ID, that is Google Click ID. So Google Click ID, then hashed email, conversion time, everything here. Let me set the currency. Okay, now think I have 7 field, but here I see conversion time, currency value. Okay, it's enough I think. So let's next. Then schedule, I want to schedule not daily, I can do it weekly, or we can also do it daily. Okay, no problem. Now I want to send it at maybe 1 a.m. So 1 a.m. here is okay, 12 p.m. 1. We can use Dhaka time, or we can use any time here. Actually we have to match it with the Google Ad account time, then finish. Okay, it is taking time to link. Now save and continue. Okay, so now qualified lead is already connected. Perfect. Now we have to also, oh, not this one actually, here qualified lead is already connected. Yeah, this one. Now we have to link the converted lead. So let me create another conversion. It will be again the import, then CRM, track from click, then select existing source, Google Sheet. Okay, now category will be converted lead, then setup. Okay, it is linked already actually. So now just need, oh, we have to link again. Okay, continue. Now we have to set up the filter again. Let me copy the qualified lead here, sorry, the converted lead. So to browse, set up the filter. Okay, now filter will be status, then equal converted lead, then next. Actually this is the same setup. Okay, just we need to change the status or the conversion name. So time is already linked, hashed email, just we have to link the GCL ID here. So this is Google Click ID, then selected field, no need, currency is needed, so it is conversion currency. Nice. Okay, everything is good here. Now next, let me schedule again daily between 1 a.m. then it is okay, everything is perfect, then finish. Okay, now save it. Okay, we have successfully connected the Google Ad offline conversion tracking. Now let me test again and let me see that it is coming or not. So preview again, it is loading. Okay, now let me fill up the form. Okay, test send. Now we should get the data here. Okay, data is available here. Now we can also do the status. Okay, now we can just change the status, then it will automatically come on Google Ad. So qualified lead, then it will be converted lead, and after some time, maybe it will take 24 hours, the Google Ad will sync the data because I have a schedule, then it will be active automatically. Okay, for my case it will not work because this is not actual GCL ID, so we must need actual GCL ID to sync the data. Okay, I hope you got all my setup. Thanks for watching. If you need help with setup or want to make sure your tracking is working perfectly, I would love to help. You will find a blog post with more details in the description along with my WhatsApp and booking link. Just book a free consultation or send me a message. Let's make your conversion tracking work.